What is up, world?
Yo, what's up? Nothing is up.
Are you sure?
The place where we shouldn't be going.
What is up, world? We're back at it again with a YOLO vlog.
Yeah,
this time we're with Jongsun and Jaden and Mason and
I am sure that we can fit there. We can fit. I'm not sure.
We're on a boat right now in Jongsun Forest Park, and we're about to try and
Common sense. Common sense.
We're gonna try.
Dumbass. Common sense.
We're gonna.
Okay. No, we're blocked. We're blocked. There's a blockage. No.
We're gonna fit through this.
We're blocked. Look. We're blocked. Don't you look at that?
Let's go.
It's fine. I can block it like this. Oh shit. No. They're back.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay.
Oh shit.
We can't.
Bitch.
Uh-oh.
Bitch.
No.
Oh bitch.
Shit.
Crap. Oh.
Oh. Okay, so.
Bitch.
Lesson learned. We can't fit through this bridge. Let's go back.
No. You're killing yourself. No. Actually. Also.
Oh my god.
Actually, bitch.
Push! Push! Jaden, you suck at driving. Now. Hey, no profanity. Okay, we'll be back after we figure out how to get out of here. Bye.
See that red line over there? My gut tells me we're not allowed to cross through it, but we're gonna do it.
Okay, so we got out of this,
crazy thing.
Yeah. And now we're
cast away at sea.
We have 15 minutes left on this boat ride, and
what if we don't make it back in time?
I don't know.
You think you might?
No. Who cares?
Oh.
There's a bird there.
That's not a bird.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, it's a... Sure.
Hey.
The current's so fast.
Wait, we can actually go through here.
The current's really fast.
So, are we supposed to go here? Are we
Is there where Dean drops his phone?
Wait, this is actually where Dean dropped his phone.
Oh, yeah.
It actually is!
Okay, this is the end. We can turn.
Dude, this is where Dean dropped his phone.
Guys, let's turn.
We found it. What is up? So, we're about to end our boat ride, and we have these things that this gun can, trigger.
That one, let's get that one.
Yeah.
Look. Oh shit.
Okay. Jaden. Okay, good.
Oh man, that sucks. Oh shoot.
Ah! No! Okay, why? Okay, we'll be back. Wait, no, we won't be back. This is the end of our vlog.
Wait, let's go again. Let's go to the green one. No, let's get back.
No! Stop! Okay, stop! Don't!
No. Now. This thing is broken. Oh,
come on! No!
Bye-bye. Oh, yeah.
Stop! Oh my god! No! Stop! Jongsun! Okay, this is the end of our vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
No, go away.
Bye!
I don't like you. Okay.